right, here we go. 2025 Topps Chrome. We've made it. We've made it to Topps Chrome. And yeah, see what we can find in here. A lot of cool stuff they threw into Chrome this year. The gold logo man cards. Those are kind of the hot thing here. Seems like every Chrome and Chrome update they're coming out with some cool stuff to kind of spice up the product. There's not as many good rookies and stuff, but they're at least putting some cool cards in there. In game used, stuff like that. Some dual player. The box. We got what? One Chrome Auto, 20 packs. Got them out here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And that stack. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 in that stack. Alright. Here we go. Good luck. Again, apologize for the confusion and the having to change it. Trying to get the kids to sleep. It was getting crazy. Bobby Witt. The first parallel. Bradley Blaylock, rookie for the Rockies. Oh, these are cool. All Etch Ellie. There's the All Etch insert. And Grant Holmes, rookie. Yeah, those are a cool insert. See if we can find a parallel one of those. That would be nice. Good for now. So we got 4 cards per pack. So 1 insert per pack. There's a Roki Sasaki right off the bat. Top rookies. Oh, we got a negative. Shane McClanahan for the Rays. And power players. Giancarlo Stanton. Last card, Young-Hoo Lee. So there we go. A little negative. Another sweet insert as well. I feel like they're stepping up the insert game, making them pretty colorful and nice looking. Next up, Luis Garcia, first numbered card. Valentine Belozo. Another all edge. Tatis. And Santander. Alright. So first numbered card. It's a rookie. For the Marlins. Is Jared. There you go, Jared. Keep on rolling. We got Garrett Mitchell, Ian Happ, Dustin Harris, refractor, kicking up some dirt, and Jake Bloss, rookie. Dustin Harris, rookie refractor. Man, how about them Tigers? Bad start to the second half here, huh? Tal Marte, Leo Jimenez. Adrian Del Castillo, refractor, rookie, and Yoneski Noel, rookie. Big Christmas, as they call him. We got JJ Bleday, Cedric Mullins. Ooh, look at that. Fortune 5, Bryce Harper. Got a little bit of a stained glass look to it. The moon. Pretty cool looking. And Lars Nootbaar. Looking for 1 auto in the hobby. Duran. Brooks Lee, rookie. Ronald Acuna Jr. 90s insert. Is it cool looking? And Drew Thorpe. Yeah, I like the 90s chrome. Those are cool. Scott, I know you were putting together the base 90s insert set. You gonna go out to the chrome as well? Talion, Joey Bart, Prism, Nico Horner, Refractor, Laying Out, and Bryce Terrain. Imanaga, Ryan Jeffries, and Rafaela. Not numbered. I thought maybe like green, but not numbered. Future Stars insert. And Alcantara. Finish off this right stack here. Gavin Sheets. Or Orlevis Martinez. Probably said that wrong. Hayden Birdsong, rookie refractor, and Brendan Lowe. Let's put on there for the Giants. The Giants. Roger, there you go. Held on to the Giants in his trade. Snag the Yankees. Brenton Doyle, Corbin Carroll, Ellie De La Cruz, another insert. Power players this time, and Cade Povich. All right, last pack here on the right side. Blanco, Aaron Schunk, rookie. Nolan Jones, refractor, and Zach Neto. Zach Neto. Here we go. Pasquantino. Oh, there we go. There's our auto. Trey Sweeney, rookie auto for the Tigers. We go Taylor. Trey Sweeney base auto for the Tigers. Chris Sale, all etch, and Corbin Burns. All right, there goes our auto. It's off the board. Fortunately, it wasn't a numbered auto or anything, or one of the top rookies, but I know Trey Sweeney as a Tigers fan. Oscar Hernandez, Drew Romo, rookie. Jazz Chisholm, refractor. Richard Fitz, rookie. On to the next. Ezekiel Tovar, Salvador Perez, Prism, Fortune 5, Fernando Tatis Jr., and Julio Rodriguez. About 5 or so packs left. Alex Bregman, Gary Carpenter, Austin Riley, and Belozo, rookie again. Dansby Swanson, Darren Baker, rookie. Christian Mena, rookie refractor, and Josh Hader. Three packs left in the hobby. Hunter Green, Juan Soto, and Volpe Future Stars. Not numbered there. And there's a rookie Schwallenbeck for the Braves. 2 packs remaining. Nothing too crazy yet. Let's see if we can finish off with a bang. Gunnar Henderson, Andres Chaparro, Miguel Andujar, refractor, and Spencer Horwitz. We got 1 pack remaining. Let's go. Here we go. Spencer Strider, Reese Hines, rookie, Prism. Bryce Harper, power players, and DJ Hearns, rookie. All right, any MVP candidates for you? I mean, other than Judge and Otani. I mean, they were at last year, but see anything I should pull out? Juan Soto maybe. Always has a chance. Julio maybe. Yeah, probably not, but just pulling it out. Oh, he doesn't. He's gonna win, right? He's hitting all them dingers. Let's see. Any other base? With anyone? Bobby Witt, maybe? Set those aside, put them in the sleep pile just in case. And let's do a little recap. One at the end, and that one. Okay, we got a Schwellenbach rookie. Reese Hines, Prism rookie. Mena, Refractor rookie. Blaylock, rookie Prism. Birdsong, rookie Refractor. Castillo, Del Castillo, rookie Refractor. Dustin Harris, rookie Refractor. Sasaki base. We got a negative, Shane McClanahan. Belozo, number to 299, rookie. And Trey Sweeney is our auto. All right, that'll do it.